Hey, it's Mark Smith here. Just reporting in from Orange, keeping COVID safe. We're out cutting down trees, and so just give you a quick report from Snowgums at Orange. Today is Saturday, whatever the day is. I think it's like the 11th of July, and it's now about 4:30 in the evening. Well, this is what comes after a snowstorm, and we've used the opportunity to make a bit more of a pile here, and we're tidying up. We had a lot of tree damage. Oh my God, just from a bit of snow. So we've got a huge pile. There was several trees that we had to pull down, and they're sitting here on this pile. Now this pile's already been compressed with this fine chainsaw, which you can buy from Bunnings for about $110. It's electric, you don't have to pull it. You do have to add oil, and it's an Azito one. So this is our part of our pile. This is after compressing it down several times. So every time you use a chainsaw and you do a run, it thins it out. So this is our pile, and here we are. So this is the Mark's Handiwork chainsaw. So we've got a little bit more to do. This is the sort of thing that we get branches and stuff falling off trees because of the weight of snow. That tree over there was bad. Here's one of our paperbark trees. Just the weight of the snow cracked it. So it might have been that it was unhealthy, possibly. Yeah, I don't know. So that's the sort of thing that a bit of snow can do. Here's the house, which you can see through here, and that's part of the Snowgums property. So we're out sort of beautifying the yard so that come spring it'll look really, really sharp. So we're making this pile a bit smaller, and with a chainsaw, and then we'll have a big fire once it dries out a little bit. Okay, so that's a quick update. What's happening at Snowgums, and whatever today is. I think it's like Saturday the 11th of July, middle of lockdown in Sydney, but glorious winter day here in Snowgums Retreat out past Orange. Thanks, bye.